Welcome back to Down the Track. In this episode, we'll be doing the preview for the game between Punjab Kings and Kolkata Knight Riders. Punjab coming into this game slightly more confident after beating the defending champions Mumbai Indians. The likes of KL Rahul and Chris Gayle showed tremendous maturity, and they showed that they can adapt to different kind of pitches. And their bowlers also did a very neat job, a very tidy job in the way they restricted Mumbai. The likes of Ravi Bishnoi has been an instant impact for them, and he's bowling wonderfully. He's fully fit now, and I think he's going to play a key role in the season for Punjab, because as these wickets slow down, a leg spinner will be very useful in picking up wickets. And I think he was a difference in that game, to be honest with you. It was a tremendous performance with the ball with Ravi Bishnoi. KKR will be way less confident going to this game. They've been hampered. They lost of I think 3 to 4 games already. They've only won one game, and things are not looking bright. Their batting order has been an issue. The top three, they're not converting their starts, and then the middle order has not been consistent. Owen Morgan's form in particular has been a big worry. He's not gone past double digits in a while now, and he's been that link between the middle order and the lower middle order and the top order, and he's just not being able to anchor the innings or even give them like a quick fire cameo. And I think that's been an issue. Russell has shown in glimpses what he can do. Cummins has shown that as well, but with the ball, both of them have been disappointing, so they'll want to step up at least with the ball for sure. And Shivam Mavi looks like a good prospect. He bowled well in the last game. Varun Chakravarti has been consistent this season, but they would want their foreign players to click. I think both with the bat and ball, they need the foreign players to click, and they haven't been clicking apart from 1 or 2 innings. So there needs to be consistency there. I think the top order, maybe they need to split it up, because the likes of Gill, Rana, and Tripathi, they're a bit one-dimensional in their approach. I mean, all three similar batsmen. But maybe get a big hitter there or change it up a bit. Maybe play Saqib one down and he let him anchor, let the likes of Rana and Gill attack. So I feel they need to switch it up there somewhere. Whereas Punjab, I think their batting order is pretty much set. They're still sweating on Puran's form, but I'm sure he'll get back into good form. He's just going through a rut right now. Gayle has shown immense maturity, and he showed that he can play in different situations, and I think he cemented his place for a while now. And to be honest, their middle order, lower order, their finishing role has improved as well this year, with Deepak Hooda and Shah Rukh Khan both looking in form, and that's tremendous. Is a big positive for Punjab, because their finishing has been an issue in recent years, and now with Shah Rukh Khan and Deepak Hooda, young Indians, I think they look much more comfortable, and it should give the top order more confidence to attack as well and up the ante, because they have batsmen below them to come and take care of the job. For Punjab, their bowling has been an issue recently, but like I said, Ravi Bishnoi has really improved their bowling. And I think Shami also had a really good game in the last game. Much depends on him. He's a very experienced bowler. Can he, bowl that back of the length and then use his variations to pick up wickets? Arshdeep has been sensational. Sometimes he is expensive, but I feel like he's always a wicket-taking option, and he can, by taking wickets, it already slows down the opposition team. So I think Arshdeep is also a really good pick. To be honest, I would probably try and get Jordan into the team. I think Jordan is a very experienced all-rounder. He can get you some quick runs with the bat in the end, and then with the ball, he'll pick you up wickets, and he can bowl at the death. So Chris Jordan to come in for me, but whether they do that or not, let's see how that goes. For KKR, change in personnel, maybe just bring in Saqib instead of Narayan. Narayan, he's been decent with the ball, not picking up too many wickets. With the bat, he's just not been able to perform, and he's been promoted over Russell, Morgan, and Karthik. So I don't agree with that. I think if you're going to promote someone like that, you promote Saqib. Otherwise, with Narayan, play him either at the top as an opener, or you play him lower down as a finisher. I think him batting in the middle order, like at number 3, 4, I don't think that, like at number 4, I don't think that suits him. So yeah, I think it's going to be a good game. Punjab going to this game as favorites. It's going to be in Ahmedabad, the first game over there this season. It'll be interesting to see how the pitch, behaves. I think it might be a batting wicket, but we'll have to wait and see until the toss, and then how the game progresses. Basically, we'll get a good indicator of how the pitches are in Ahmedabad after tomorrow's game. So I'm very interested to see in that. And the players to watch out for me from Punjab, it has to be Ravi Bishnoi, and then from KKR, it has to be Andre Russell. I think he's the man who can provide with both bat and ball. So yeah, let's see how it goes. It's going to be a very interesting game. Make sure you like and subscribe to the channel and comment with your prediction. Who do you think is going to win this game? Do you think KKR will finally, get the ball rolling and win a few games. They have some, a lot of potential, lot of firepower. They just not been clicking. They need a few players to click. They need their captain to lead from the front, and things can turn around. Whereas Punjab, I think for them it's a needed victory as well. They've already lost 3. They've won 2. Another win will give them some confidence, and it can show that they can win games despite anything else. And they do have a really good team. Yeah, I think it's going to be a very fun game to watch. Thank you so much for joining me. Until next time, take care.